You can set Perplexity as the default search engine on Google Chrome. So when you're searching something on the address bar, let's say I want to search for what is the latest iPhone models, and when I hit enter, it will send the query to Perplexity instead of Google, so I got the answer immediately from Perplexity. And this is something that we can enable in the browser. So today I'm going to show you on how you can enable this feature on Google Chrome. So here's how you can do it. First, let's navigate to Google and then search for Chrome Web Store and hit enter. And then go to Chrome Web Store. This is the official extension page for Google Chrome. Click on it, and we are going to search for an extension that will enable Perplexity to be used as a search engine. Now search for Perplexity AI Search and then hit enter. There are many extensions that would support this feature. If you actually scroll down, you see there are many different extensions that will support Perplexity as default search engine. But the one that I'm using is this one because I think it's very simple and straightforward. And then click Add to Chrome. And if you got this message, just click Add Extension. Now we just need to wait until the installation process is finished. If you got this notification, that means the extension is ready. And now when you open a new tab, you'll see that it is showing this Perplexity icon. That means we can start searching anything via the address bar, and it will be redirected to Perplexity. For example, if I want to search something like, let's say, what is the biggest black hole? Hit enter. It will redirect me to Perplexity, not Google. But I think I just want to share my experience about when I'm using this extension. So a lot of times I eventually just go back using Google because in many cases I just want to get a quick answer. I don't need to get all this information from Perplexity. Sometimes shorter answer is better, and that's why I don't use this extension very often. But if you find this extension to be useful, then you can definitely use it. However, there is also another alternative that doesn't require Perplexity, and yet you will get a somewhat similar experience to Perplexity, and it is free. We can use Gemini as a search engine on Google Chrome. This is actually a new feature, so I'm going to show you how you can do it. But before I get to that, I'm going to remove this extension. So let's click remove. And there you go. Now I'm going to open a new tab. And when you want to search something using AI, you can use the you can use the character, the @ symbol, and then Gemini. This is the AI from Google, and then press tab on the keyboard. So basically this means we are going to send a query to Gemini, which is an AI from Google, which is similar to Perplexity. And I could ask something like, what is the largest star in the Milky Way galaxy? Hit enter, and instead of sending us to Google, it is sending us to Gemini. And this is again AI, just like Perplexity, ChatGPT, or Claude, and we can get a quick answer without having to visit websites. So that's another alternative. And maybe you prefer this method a lot more if you don't want to use Perplexity very often, then you can use this method. But anyway, that's basically it. That's how you can set Perplexity as the default search engine on Google. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.